BioNTech aims to develop a more effective vaccine against malaria, one of the world's deadliest diseases. Nearly 230 million people are infected with the mosquito-borne parasite each year. The German firm is now seeking to follow up its successful COVID-19 vaccine with a malaria jab based on the same messenger RNA technology. If successful, the shot could significantly reduce the mortality rate of the disease. Sibel Karkus has more.
Once a long shot, the prospect of eliminating malaria is closer to reality than ever. After developing an effective jab against COVID-19 in record time, Germany's BioNTech is now working on the world's first messenger RNA vaccine against the mosquito-borne illness.
Our goal is to develop a vaccine which makes the malaria parasite visible and attackable by the immune system from the very beginning, when it is most vulnerable.
Malaria is difficult to vaccinate against as the disease is caused by a parasite and not a virus or bacteria. Despite decades of research, GlaxoSmithKline's Mosquirix is the only approved vaccine against it, and that's only 30% effective. BioNTech's mRNA method promises to be a game changer, with the company aiming for an efficacy rate of 90%. Instead of using parts of a dead virus, it injects lab-produced molecules into humans. As well as being more effective, it should also take less time to develop than traditional vaccines, with clinical trials expected to start at the end of next year.
mRNA technology is helping us to save lives from COVID-19, a disease that we have only known about for 19 months. Malaria has been with us for millennia. Eradicating it has been a long-held but unattainable dream.
2 decades of research have cut malaria's mortality rate by half, yet it kills more than 400,000 people every year, most of them babies and young children in Africa, which is why the pharma giant is looking to turn the continent into a new production hub.
The second goal of our malaria project is to set up intelligent and sustainable mRNA manufacturing sites using modern digital technologies. This objective is part of our overall strategy to enable people around the world to manufacture our vaccines.
CEO Urs Schein believes a third of all pharmaceuticals will be based on mRNA technology within the next 15 years. And while the market for mRNA drugs is set to reach $88 billion by 2030, BioNTech has promised its vaccine will be sold on a non-profit basis. Even so, if successful, it will not only revolutionize medical science, but also inject billions more into the $70 billion company. Sibel Karkus, TRT World.